Hello subscribers, a quick salvation from a scrapyard, an engine salvaged from scrapyard. I just took 2 hours from my time to do my best to get it going. If it didn't want it to go, I would leave it as is, and maybe in the future I will have a good play with it. But I managed to get it going very, let's say, very quickly. With the grab of the scrapyard, they broke the de-compressor. I fixed it very quick. Drilled a tap with thread in the existing shaft. Drilled this from the middle on the lathe and made the screw. It's not the best fix, but it will do. Fuel was not pumping out. Ended up with a blocked fuel line to the filter. Fixed that, and the injector was squeaking very good. As soon as it started, I noticed that oil was coming out from the oil pressure indicator. They broke this thread cap and I made a new one, and also fixed with a little solder a hole again with the grab. This clip washed into the tank. It has a bad leaking inlet valve, but I don't have any time to do that. Came here again to test it with water now, after I tested in the garage without water and it was not pumping water. A stuck valve on the water pump. The reverse mechanism, I believe, is stuck as well, but it will do. It will do. Sorry, the video went out. When cold, it needs priming into the inlet, but when it's hot, it will go lazy, but it will go. will run more quietly with the reg into the inlet. This is a type of oil filter that you can, let's say, clean it during running.